HR has had a whole series of challenges, predominantly around managing quite volatile projects, which inevitably always seem to have competing and conflicting priorities. And so, with this sort of introductory learning webinar, I want to try and cover today what is Agile project management? What are some of the benefits that I've seen from this approach? How does it differ to other project management methods? What are some of the principles, tools, and concepts associated with Agile project management? What are the implementation challenges? There are always implementation challenges. And then share some case studies at the end in terms of how other HR functions have made the shift from moving from more traditional project management, such as Prince, which is probably one of the most commonly known project management techniques, to that of Agile. So that's what I'm going to be able to take you through. Now, there's nothing wrong with the traditional project way of doing things. Okay, it's about different phases, it's about control, it's about alignment, and there's nothing wrong with any of those things. Most traditional projects are driven by upfront planning, and there is still a heavy reliance on planning in the Agile method. But it's a little bit more defined. It's probably if you like, defined by the Gantt chart, where people look at the Gantt chart, tick it off when it's done, move to the next thing. And so there is a very clear sequence. Now, within Agile project management, you may find that that sequence isn't quite so clear. There could be some different things that are happening at different times. Agile is far more around prioritization. It's far more around customers and the internal clients. It's certainly around revision and changing plans if they are required. And it's about using these, what we call sprints. And I will talk about this in just a little bit more in detail. But these sprints are really time critical segments of a project where you're given a week to do something. And once that's done, it therefore enables something else to happen, or it could be integrated and aligned with something else. Agile is about being adaptable. It's about relying on individual expertise, and it's about certainly making sure that we are focusing on there's that word focusing on things that are changing, which could be new cost challenges, new scheduling, new variables, new issues that need to be thought of. So that's trying to give an overview about the differences between traditional and the Agile method.